Hi guys, I'm Kev from sonsofcane.com. On this video we've got a little idea and we've nicknamed it the submarine. As usual with me is Chris. Hi Chris.
The Kev. So we're talking about attacking somebody from below. I had an idea looking at the Hungar stuff that we were researching and being an ex-Navy man looking at submarines, getting powerful techniques coming up rather than bringing the cane down. We're not changing anything other than the direction of attack that we're going on an opponent. But Dan's going to do a nice, perfect hooky technique for me. I do like an hooky who does something that I know what's coming, nice and slow. So we've done this, we've come up for our javelin. We've done this on a previous video. What I'm going to do this time, as the attack comes in, it can be anything, I'm going to drop down. I'm not quite touching the floor. And I'm going to drive my cane up, and already you can see targets here, here and here. When I stand up, I can either drive this between his legs and a wrench, but what I'm going to do is drive it into his stomach. Doesn't matter if he bends over or not, but I'm going to explode up in a Hungar type action. So I'm going to throw my cane, my opposite arm out as I stand up. So I'm doing, everything's driving up and throwing out at the same time. Doesn't matter on the attack. If he does a nice big chaff punch for me, nice swing, I can drop down, I've missed it. I can then drive this up, he's in a different position, so I'd be driving in here. And I'm not going to do this, but as I stand up and explode, I'm going to wrench this round, bringing my arms up. If I change the grip on the cane, depending how you hold it, same thing, comes in, I've got different techniques, and as I explode up, I'm dragging through.
As Chris has shown you, he's dropping his weight down, he's creating a distance in height. And you can see, I'm already down here. Cane's between my legs like it normally is. We just go for a loose two-hand grab, just for an example. So, sorry mate, can I just sit back? With the karate block, all I'm going to do, the hand's coming up. As the hand comes up, the cane's coming up and I'm going to lean back. If I'm lucky and I manage to get a grip, as I'm coming up and coming back, I'm going to bring the cane over to this side just so you see the distance, and I pull and push at the same time. You can see where that's going to really hurt and jag and throw. So whereas Chris is using the downward motion and the upward motion, we're already down. But if you think about it logically, he's coming down to me. So that's already bringing, and if he starts to come down, I'm already there before he's even made contact. Hand will still be in the guard, I may even bring a cross guard, but it's already that motion. Let's look at this with two canes. And by the magic of cinema, I'm now cured and standing. And I'm going to take this really slow because this is not going to be fair on Dan. When I'm in this position, I tend to reverse the crook of my cane. My wife sees this in the street and she thinks, okay, what's going on? Because this is my go-to. So we'll take it from the fact that I've realised something's going to happen. Left cane's going back, foot's going back. Now I haven't created the depth, but I've created this Hungar motion where I'm going backwards and forwards at the same time. And that's all I'm going to do is just take a step back and come up by using the extension of the tip. So you can do the submarine technique if you're on two canes, it's just adapting it and using lateral forces rather than vertical forces.
I normally walk with one cane, but if you need two canes and you've got more motion than Kev, it may be. I've done this before, I've slipped in the street, I've gone down, I've used my cane to balance, and I've driven it into the floor and I've dropped. So I can use this idea that when the attack comes in, whatever it is, I can use this as my anchor point. And then as I'm standing up, as you can see, I'm not in the same position as I was before. As I stand up, I can still explode the cane up somehow. But this one will be firmly rooted into the ground. It doesn't matter which cane I use to ground, I can drop down, I'm here, and then I can explode up as best as I can. When I'm walking with my cane and I carry my palm stick, the way I justify my palm stick is when I go shopping, I put my carrier bag handles over it, and I've got a nice handle to carry lots of shopping with. I actually do aromatherapy massage as well, and the ends of the ones that I use for massaging as well. So mine is technically a massage stick. And I pop it in my pocket here, because you never know when you need to do an emergency massage. Everything else is exactly the same, so I know where that is, I know where it's going to be. If he comes in, he does the attack, I've dropped down, I've got my technique, and if I want, I can draw this out. So I've then got this exploding technique coming up. So a little less damage, but I'm bringing this through, and you can see targets here, and then I can continue that motion as well by dropping down again and rising up with this one, and you can see a continual flow of techniques, hooks, striking pressure points, locks, and very light taps on the back of the head, because I wouldn't want to hit anybody in the back of the head hard.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you like this. Your comments are getting really fantastic. We enjoy reading them and we enjoy interacting with you guys, so keep them coming. Give us a thumbs up.
As always, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Don't forget, ring the bell, free the fear.